All right, let's wrap up week 4 here and then look ahead to week 5 in a minute. So looking here at the grade sheet, it looks like most of you have the quizzes done. There's still a few of you that got to get those in. Let's try and get those in. Same with the discussion. There's a few that didn't get in, and same with the assignments. So I will start grading sometime today. It usually takes me a little bit longer to grade when I have these assignments. So just want you to all be cognizant of that. So it's going to take a couple extra days to get those in, but I will work on those so you see your scores as soon as possible on that. So, all right, on that note, let's look at week 5 here. So this is our 5th week of CRJ 320 Criminal Investigations. We're going to be going over effective ways to apply the investigative process to conduct death investigations, assault, domestic violence, stalking, and elder abuse. You're going to read from chapters 8 and 9 of your textbook, which are death investigations and assault, domestic violence, stalking, and elder abuse. All right, so for our discussion this week, we'll be going over the assault and legal force. So assaults can range from simply causing fear to another person with a threat of immediate body injury or death, or attempting to inflict bodily harm on someone. And assault becomes a felony when you inflict great bodily harm to someone. We used to call that GBI, great bodily injury. So we must remember, though, that there are many instances where people can use legal force to protect themselves. Law enforcement officers can do it when attempting to detain or arrest a suspect. So you're going to give one example of a real-life story from television or news within the past 3 years where a law enforcement officer used physical force against someone, but it was deemed legal. So, and you must also respond to at least one of the posts as well. We have 3 short quizzes this week: the Chapter 8 video case, Lab 3-1 quiz, and the Lab 3-2 quiz, as well as your Week 5 quiz. All right, then there's also a section where you can start prepping for the next assignment, which is due in Week 6 on homicide investigations. So early on next week, I will be posting your midterm grades. Like I said before, some of you are still behind some assignments from the first 4 weeks of class, some of the discussions. So I'm hoping that you guys can get, those who are behind, get caught up in your classwork in time before the midterm grades. That way, when I do post them, it shows you at a passing or a better grade than that. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. A lot of you are starting to, I've already emailed me. I'm starting to get text messages from you. That's great. I try to respond to those as soon as I can. So you can even call me if you want to. So good luck to all of you in Week 5.